At Kaizen, we know it's the science that makes the difference. The right solutions happen when you care enough to ask the right questions. And we understand that your performance is directly related to ours. Science knows why it works, care knows why it's important.
Welcome to Hanwha Techwin here at SMT AI. I'm joined by Marco Cruz, who's the National Sales Manager for Mexico.
Hey, how you doing?
Marco. Yeah, good to
Thank
see
you.
So, we're looking on here at the latest machine from the Hanwha stable. It's a high-speed mounter. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, this is our brand new platform, HM520. We have two different models. This family is intended to attack the high volume market. So we had a high-speed model, and this one specifically is a multifunction or the flexible one. Right. So we have a very, very good mix of products. Any product that you can think about, actually we can build it with this platform.
Okay. So it comes in two versions. It's one, the high-speed chipshooter, which is got a turret head in it, yes. And then this one here, which has a gang pick for various odd form components and different size components.
Yeah, the high-speed model, it comes with a horizontal turret, 20 spindles on each head. By the way, our platform, all the machines are coming with dual lane, dual gantry, no matter what. We have the mixed mode production, product A on the front, product B on the rear. Now, it has 20 spindles, turret head, so it's 40 in total. Now, the flexible mounter, we have a piano head type with 6 spindles on each head, so we have a total of 12.
Okay. So you've got 12 heads on the gang pick. And on the rotary, on the turret head, you've got 40 and 40. That gives you 80. 2020. Okay, yes. Gives you 40,000. Okay, that's great. So the typical configuration you get is you'll get one fitted with the turrets for the chip shooter, and then you'll have another one beside it for the with the piano head, as it were.
Yeah, depending on the volume, but normally we do have a high speed and a flexible mounter. Right. If you need more volume, like a customer in Querétaro, Mexico, we have 2 high-speed models and then 1 flexible mounter. Right. We are running that product in 11 seconds cycle time.
11 seconds is a board comes out every 11 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's fast.
Every 11 seconds, one board is coming out from that line.
So, looking at the other configurations in here, you've got 48 millimeter feeders each side, so that gives you a total of 80, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah, all the models are coming with 40 and 40. All of them are docking cars, so we can have a quick changeover.
Right. And you're using linear motors there for
it's
speed.
All linear motors. Yeah, we don't handle the lead screws anymore. Right. It's your linear motor because we need to be faster and we need to be accurate.
Do you know what the accuracy is out of any by chance?
Yes, sir. The smallest component that we can place with this platform is the 0201 metric. And we are talking about 30 microns. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty accurate. Good, okay. So you're already selling them in the market down there in Mexico. I believe you're going to be showing this machine, in fact 2 of them, at the show coming up in Guadalajara in a couple of weeks' time.
Yes, actually, as I mentioned before, we already have like 2 months with a line being installed in Querétaro, Mexico. This is a company that they build appliances. So we have been there for 2 months with the high speed, the 11 seconds upgrade product. We have received a PO last night for another line like that in an automotive customer in Ciudad Juárez. So as you can see, our platform fits to almost everyone. You know? In Asia, we have sold 40 of these models to Samsung. In Vietnam, they're going to be building the cell phones with this new platform now.
Well, it's certainly a very exciting new platform, and I want to thank you for showing it to us today, Marco.